guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you've probably seen from the caption, or you can see right now, today I'm going to be doing a swimsuit haul with the company called Zaul. So I'm going to put my mirror right here so I can make sure my face look good at all times. So this is the first swimsuit. It kind of cuts really low in the V area, like coochie, but this is it, and this is what it looks like from the side. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like in the back. It kind of goes into the butt, but as long as I basically keep my, digging up my wedgie and stuff like that, I don't think I should have that many problems with it. And this is how it looks. I really like this one. I like bodysuits and jumpsuits. I'm really like all for it. So the next swimsuit is just this two-piece swimsuit, and it comes with this separate and this one together, and you have the option to either tie this one underneath or over. I choose to tie it over. I personally really do like this swimsuit. This is what it looks like from the back. It's not too cheeky. If you move around, it probably will go in your butt if you move around. But it's not like crazy cheeky or like basically overdoing it. I really do love this swimsuit. I like this one a lot. So yeah, that's the next swimsuit. So this right here is the next swimsuit that I have, and I honestly love this swimsuit. It does kind of cut low right here, which I hate when it cuts too low right here. But it is a really cute swimsuit, and it kind of holds my titties pretty well. I don't have an issue with my breast in it. This is how it looks like from the side. This is what it looks like from the side. And towards the back, I'm gonna put up my wedgie before I turn. This is the back part. Looks like it's really cheeky. And yeah, this one's really hard today, but. Anyways, this is one of the other swimsuits that I got, and it's just a cutout two-piece. It might be a little dirty because I just had it on like last night, but it has like a cutout all the way. It cuts out all the way. It's not really too cheeky or really like shows too much booty. So this is, so I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the last bodysuit. Everything after this is going to be two pieces, and if I didn't mention this already, all my all my bathing suits come in a size large. Okay, so this is the next swimsuit I got, and I like it, but the boobs are super small. I'm gonna show you the side. It's just a regular bikini swimsuit with like this python print. The bottoms are super cheeky, but I won't wear this swimsuit because the bra, like the bra area, is way too small.
Alright, cut. I don't like it.
Stop, Robert. But anyways, yeah. This is one of the swimsuits, one of the two pieces. This is the next swimsuit that I have on, and it's just like a sunflower type of thing. The arms are like really tight, and they're kind of like rolled, honestly. The back part is okay. I'm gonna show you guys. This is what the back part looks like. The arms though, like, I feel like my circulation is getting cut off. This is the side view. And this is basically it. The paddings on here are really hard to come off, so they're kind of like stuck on. But yeah, overall this one was probably like another one that's like just too small, but it is still cute. Okay, so this is the last swimsuit, And this is just like a floral 3D type of swimsuit. I don't know, it's really cute, but it's really small as well. I'm not even gonna turn it on all the way towards the butt part. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks from the side. I'm not gonna show the butt because it's like all the way in my booty. But yes, this is the last swimsuit. So Zaul swimsuits are really nice and the quality is really, really good. My main issue is I think next time I need to do better when it comes down to the sizing of it all. But besides that, I enjoyed this try on haul. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try on these swimsuits.
I enjoyed you.
Bye.
I enjoyed you watching you too, baby.
Shut up, Robert.